was more eggs in there. I was trying to find more eggs. As you can see, she got the eggs spread all over and like in the corners. I go another one right here. There's more eggs. I'm searching for more eggs. It's good to raise your own chicken, grow your own food. That way you don't have to spend a lot of money from your bank. You see, when you grow your own food, you raise your own livestock. It's easier on you like that. That's how it's supposed to be. You don't have to buy everything from the store. Look at all the eggs I just got from one chicken. One hen on one male, one female. And I got 11 eggs. That's a lot of eggs. Ooh, boy, doesn't it feel good to grow your own? Yo, yes. Oh, yes. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help your boy reach 1,000K. Yep. See all the eggs? All from one chicken. Yep. And do the little white thing you see. It's a paper that I shirred. I built my own chicken house. Yep. That's the boys right there. I got birds coming up in my backyard. Different kind of birds. Yep. That's the male chicken right there. He been doing a good job. He put in work. Yep, that's the man right there. That's the girl right there. Yep. Oh, the eggs, man. That's a lot of eggs. Learn how to grow your own, guys. Learn how to grow your own. Learn how to raise your own chicken. Look, all the eggs. There's a lot of eggs now. I'm gonna fry some. I'm gonna give some to my neighbors. Yep. Look at that. That's a lot of eggs. That's what happened. When you raise your own lifestyle, you grow your own food. They don't want you to do this. They don't want you to grow your own food. They don't want you to raise your own chickens and goats and cows and rabbits, But this is the end result of raising chicken on your own. Yep. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video. Right here is me washing all the eggs like the harvest.
Hey guys, this is my harvest. My chicken. See the poop on it? Yep, I gotta clean it. And put it in a crate.